Canada is changing its immigration rules, and the ripple effect are already visible. From international students to temporary workers and families, thousands are reassessing their future. This is not a political debate. It's a policy shift with real consequences. Canada is changing its immigration routes, and the effects are already being felt. So, what exactly has changed? Why were these decisions taken? And who's likely to be affected the most? Is Canada closing its door? Let's be clear first. Canada is not shutting down immigration. It still needs immigrants. But Canada is slowing down and tightening its system. After years of record high immigration, the government says the system is under pressure now. Housing shortages, overloaded healthcare, job competition in certain sectors. This message from Ottawa is simple. Immigration must be sustainable, not chaotic. What changed in Canada's immigration policy? Over the last year, Canada has introduced multiple changes, including stricter rules for international students, tighter work permit extensions, higher scrutiny for temporary residence renewal, reduced intake targets in some visa categories. The focus is shifting from quantity to control. Canada wants fewer temporary residents and more targeted, skilled, long-term immigrants. So now the question arises that why these changes were made. According to Canadian government, these are the three main reasons. First, housing crisis. More people arrived than homes were built. Rents increased. People frustration grew. Second, system misuse. Some institutions and agents exploited loopholes, low quality colleges, misleading job promises. Third, temporary versus permanent imbalance. Canada saw a sharp rise in temporary residents without enough permanent pathways. The government believes this model was unsustainable. Who's already feeling the impact? These changes affect people differently. Most impacted groups include international students nearing graduation, work permit holders seeking extensions, visitors converting to work or study status, families waiting for status renewal. Many applicants are now facing longer processing time, rejections after years of compliance, uncertainty about their future. This is not about breaking rules. It's about rules changing mid-journey. So how many visas could be affected? The Canadian government has indicated that hundreds of thousands of temporary residents may not be able to extend or transition their status. Under the new framework, this does not mean deportation overnight, but it does mean more refusals, fewer renewals, tougher eligibility checks. For many, this could mean having to leave after legal stay ends. So what this means for immigrants? For immigrants, the biggest impact is uncertainty. People plan their lives around education loans, job experience, permanent residency timelines. Now many are asking, was the pathway ever guaranteed? What if my permit is not renewed? Do I still have option? And the truth is, Canada never promised a permanence. So now we require important clarity. This is not targeting. These changes are not country specific. They are policy driven, not political revenge. Canada is adjusting numbers, not targeting communities. And officials repeatedly say those who qualify under the new rules still have opportunities. The system is becoming stricter, not hostile. So what should people do now? Experts advise stay updated with the official IRCC announcement. Avoid misinformation on social media. Don't rely blindly on agents. Understand that temporary status means temporary. Planning matters more than hope. Let's give a final thought by closing with clarity. Canada is recalibrating its immigration system, not because immigrants are unwanted, but because system must match reality. For some, this change will mean disappointments. For others, it will mean adapting to new rules. But one thing is clear: immigration decisions should be made with facts, not fear. Understanding the system is now more important than ever. This is Karima Singh signing off. Stay tuned for latest updates.